thing, very, very crucial, the more we learn about it, I will bet that every single person in this room is aware of vitamin D. Yes? Yes. Vitamin D is misnamed. It is not a vitamin. Vitamins actually help other processes happen. Okay, so there's a cellular process over here. Vitamin comes in, helps that process happen. That's not what vitamin D does. Vitamin D is formed from cholesterol. It's shaped exactly like quite a few different hormones in the body, and it functions exactly like a hormone. It goes into the cell, has its own receptors, binds to those receptors, causes changes in the cells, just like hormones do. A lot of information. I've been fortunate to be educated by my patients for many, many years. And so, as well as my nutritionist colleagues. And so, I've always been a little step ahead in terms compared to regular doctors and dosing of vitamin D. So I'm going to share that with you tonight. So you will still find the recommended daily allowance of vitamin D way, way, way too low. Minimum, and this is less than what I recommend, is 2,000 units of vitamin D a day. I know, it sounds like a lot because I'm using the word thousands, but really, there are no reports of toxicity for vitamin D in anybody who took less than 40,000 units of vitamin D every single day. Okay, so what I actually recommend is 5,000 units a day of D. Okay. Personally, I don't remember my vitamin D every single day, so I generally just take 10,000 when I'm remembering. So it averages out.
And do you recommend D3 above others? Or?
D3 is the active form. Thank you very much. That's very important. So there isn't D3 in food. They add D2 to food. Or it's naturally occurring in food, but on the order of like 20 units, not thousands of units like what we need. So our bodies naturally make vitamin D from sunlight. However, that works best in people, let's say under age 25. Okay? And so it worked really well a few hundred years ago even, when people were outside a lot of the time and exposed to sun with no sunscreen. Sunscreen prevents the process of formation of vitamin D. And also, taking a shower with soap also interferes with that process. So a couple hundred years ago, when people didn't bathe every day and they weren't using sunscreen, it was still an okay way to get vitamin D. But now pretty much everybody needs to supplement. So that's on vitamin D.